Take a ride in the 2024 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, sports steering wheel, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.